Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Mix, mix, mix. Whoa!
Let me just put some in yours as well.
Yeah,
That's a volcano. Volcano has erupted. Oh wow.
everybody, today we are going to be making 2 volcanoes. And here 2 party hats. We are going to be cutting out some of it. And here's some glue. And here's some glue brush. Here's some pieces of paper. And here's scissors. Here's some glue sticks. And here's a glue gun and a brown paint. So let's get started. We're going to remove this confetti thing. Paper on the party hat. Just let it dry.
We will give some texture with the hot glue gun.
And then paint it red. Now I will color it.
What color you are using? Brown?
I'm using the color brown.
Okay.
It's kind of browny red. It looks like lava.
Reddish brown.
Yeah.
Volcanic eruption, we need this stuff, vinegar and some dishwashing liquid soap and some food color and some of the baking soda and 2 empty bottles. One bottle is this and one bottle we have stick inside this with the hot glue. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so the other one we will also stick inside.
Adults should do it.
Yeah, it is very hot.
Yes. But at least not as hot as the volcano lava. You wouldn't even survive.
Put it inside. Stick it. Yeah, perfect. Just keep holding for a few seconds and it will dry quickly.
Okay, so we're going to put some food coloring and vinegar inside these volcanoes. So I'm going to put the vinegar inside.
Okay.
And Mommy's going to put some food coloring.
Okay, Mommy will put it. Some of the food color. I think it's enough.
Yeah,
You can give it a shake.
yeah, I'm going to first put the food color inside.
Okay, let's give it a quick stir. Okay.
So let's do the other volcano. Let's put this in.
Slowly and carefully pour some vinegar inside. More. Enough. You can put more vinegar if you want.
Okay, now you can put the food color.
Okay. Some food color.
This is orange food color.
Some food color. Enough. Give it a stir. Slowly, gently. And now we will put some dishwashing liquid
Okay.
and stir it slowly.
You can tell me how much we need to. Oh,
It's okay.
let's wipe the volcano.
Enough. Okay. Some in this one as well. More. Some more. Okay, enough. Stir it very gently, okay? Very gently. Just gently.
It looks like the volcano is about
To erupt?
yes, because it's making some noise.
Okay, very nice.
Some baking soda.
Just wait, please. We will call the little one as well for adding baking soda inside.
Our volcanoes are ready to explode. My brother will use this and I'll use without it.
Okay.
Is this enough?
Yes, it is enough. Eva, put it.
Put it inside.
Hurry up.
Whoa!
Maybe just put some in yours as well. Yeah, that's a volcano. Volcano has erupted. Oh wow. The volcano has erupted. Wow. Give it a little shake.
Yellow.
Oh. Oh, the volcano has erupted.
Wow. Oh wow.
The volcano has erupted.
Wow.
Iban, what is that?
It's a volcano.
Iban, what is that? A volcano. A volcanic eruption.
Clean this after. That's enough, Eva. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Whoa, isn't it so cool?
Yeah, it is.
He's just looking at mine.
Wow.
Wow. Mom, don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Now it can go the other side.
Wow. It's still erupting.
Mine.
We added some more baking soda in it and just give it a little shake. Just stay away of
Stay
it.
away.
Don't breathe in it. Yeah. You can give it a little shake. So that was our volcano experiment.
Yeah, orange.
You can wash your hands later.
Yeah, and remember, always wash your hands.
Yeah, and do not breathe in it.
My goodness! And especially in this time.
Blow. You are blowing?
Yeah, it's fine.
So these are our volcanoes.
Orange hands. Orange hands.
Yellow hands. Abad has some yellow hands. So you enjoyed it?
Yeah, it's so cool. Oh, it's so cool. And if you
You're
like,
playing with lava?
yes, this is not hot at all. And look, he's making handprints.
You have got iron hands.
Yellow hands. So everybody, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video and every video. And remember to like to my video. Bye.
Don't touch my camera, please. So guys, if you want more eruption, you can just simply add more baking soda, more and more baking soda. So it will keep erupted.
And keep shaking to my next video.
Bye. Hey, bye. Bye.
Bye. Monster lava hand.